Right now we're trying to find the most peculiar creature. It's amazing. Damn it! Get the 12 gauge! Someone get the shotgun. Wait, we need to follow it. Bloody hell, it's dark in here as heck. Wait, no, dude, come out of there. I can't see you in the dark. Okay, alright. Its natural habitat is to eat things. It's a Japanese fucker. It's a Japanese butt fucker. It's a Japanese butt fucker. It is coming towards me. It's doing its mating call. It's doing its mating call. It's coming at me!